Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to effectively use the ClipDrop background remover tool to remove the background from your images or videos. So let's start. First, we need to type ClipDrop in Google search. You also use this tool without loading. In the Tools section, below you can see many features available, like Cleanup, Remove Background, Ray Light, Image Upscaler, Stable Diffusion, Replace Background, etc., etc. Now we will try to change the background of the image. So I am using the Pexels website to download the image. Here you can see many options, but this time we will select Technology Images. And download this image. Now we will try to remove the background of the image. Simply click and select the downloaded image. You can select SD and HD quality accordingly. This time we will select the downscale and continue. Wow, amazing feature. Just click on the bullet point and you can remove the background of image, as you can see in the video. You can also download and use this image for editing charts. Now we will try the second option, Cleanup. We selected the same image. You can select any image for cleanup. We selected the same image. You can select any image for cleanup. You can adjust the brush size accordingly. Now we will clean the watch, so need to select the watch area and click on Clean button. Amazing, wonderful features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.